Let me show you how to get Turkish Delight makeup. So first we're starting off with our Good Apple foundation from Kat Von D, and we're just going to put that all over the face and blend it in well. I added some concealer. I'm going to let it sit and then I will blend it out. Now add a little bit of contour right up here and right here and right there. A little bit right down the nose and kind of make it circular. Eyebrows are definitely a bit of like 2016, so I'm just using like a dark brown, and we're gonna fill this in more towards your arch at first, bring it down, and then go underneath the brow to give it a really good shape and lightly fluff it up so it still looks natural, just like a bit more filled in. For the eyeshadow, we're using our Morphe Gold Seeker palette. We're using Guilty Pleasure with our finger. And I'm going to put that directly on my eyelid. I'm going to go in a few times with this just to really build it up well. Then we're going to go underneath as well. And then I'm using this little brush here, and we're going to go in with Have Your Cake. And we are going to bring it up and then bring it down as well, but bring it out too. And really blend this in so it looks beautiful, but it also just kind of highlights your own natural eye shape. Using the MAC Petal Power blush, and we're going to focus it more on the outer edge and then bring it down to more of the hollow of your cheek. Lovely, just like that. Add some setting powder. I'm using a pink brightening one from the MAC collection. We're just going right underneath, a little bit more on this side, and then right here as well, just like that. I'm gonna add some brown eyeliner using the gold palette again. So basically a really small little eyeliner here, and then bring it over, and then just kind of stamp it here to bring it all the way over. Just like that. And I got this from Shein. I love it. It works really well. It's very firm and easy to work with. And then we go just like that. Lovely. Perfect. The lips, we're going to use the Pillow Talk Intense for the lip liner, and then we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So for the mascara, I'm using the NARS Climax mascara. I got it as a sample, and literally I did all of this with just this. It's amazing. Now we're just going to add some finishing touches. So I did a little dot right there. I want to do one right here, right there. Just kind of highlight what's already on my face. And that is the finished look. So let me take down my hair and show. So there it is, all done. I absolutely love this look. It is absolutely beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.